Okay, guys, this is going to be how to put a button on your page. In order to have a button on your page, you need to have a corresponding page, whether it be on your site or from a different site. So make sure you go over to Pages, upper right-hand corner, click on that. Any of the pages you have here, you can create a button to. So if you see over here, I already have an Art, Pets, and National Park project. I don't have one for VT. So I'm going to create a button for my VT page. Go back up into Insert. Go down to the bottom and click Button. Type in the name that you want to appear. Mine's just going to be VT, but I could also make it Virginia Tech. And then click on the box that says Link. All of your pages will appear below it, and you just pick the box that you want. And then hit Insert. This will create a button on your page. If it doesn't go where you want it to, then just pull it, drag and drop up to wherever you want it to be. Drag, drop. If you would like to create a button to go to an outside page, you'll need to go to that outside page. For instance, I'll go to our AMS Wildcat page. Click on it, and then I'm going to copy the link. So just select it and hit copy, which you can also use Control C. Then go back over to your site. Do the same thing that you did before with adding the button. Name it. In this case, though, instead of linking to one of your pages, you're going to paste the website and then hit Insert. Now when you click on that button, it will take you an outside page.